The Supreme Court has issued a notice to Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in a significant case. The notice was issued on a petition challenging his victory from the Varuna constituency in the 2023 Assembly elections. The petitioner has alleged that the Congress manifesto's promises of freebies amount to corrupt electoral practices. The petition was filed by Shankar, a voter from Varuna. He claims that Siddaramaiah's assurances of benefits distorted a level playing field and amounted to corrupt practice under the Representation of the People Act 1951. A bench comprising Justice Vikram Nath and Justice Sandeep Mehta issued the notice and sought Siddaramaiah's response. During the hearing, the court asked how a manifesto promise could be considered corruption. In response, Shankar's counsel clarified that the issue is already being examined by a larger Supreme Court bench, which is reviewing the 2013 judgment that held election promises do not amount to corruption. Since that ruling is under reconsideration, the present petition is also being heard. Ahead of the 2023 Karnataka elections, the Congress manifesto announced 5 major guarantees: 200 units of free electricity per household, 2,000 rupees monthly assistance to women heads of families, 10 kg free food grain for each member of BPL families, unemployment allowance of 3,000 rupees for graduates and 1,500 rupees for diploma holders, free bus travel for women across the state. Earlier on April 22, the Karnataka High Court dismissed the plea, stating it was bound by the existing 2013 Supreme Court judgment. In his petition, Shankar further argued that electoral promises should be considered a form of bribery, since Section 123 of the Election Act defines bribery as offering any benefits with the intent to influence voters.